In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change line spacing in Canva. Start by clicking on paragraph text box you want to edit. Ensure that text box is selected so you can access formatting options. Once your text box is selected, navigate to top toolbar, click on spacing option, and this will open a panel where you can adjust both letter spacing and line spacing. In spacing panel, locate line spacing option. You can use slider, drag slider left or right to increase or decrease space between lines, or you can also enter a specific value if you need precise line spacing. As you adjust line spacing, you will notice that text within your selected text box will expand or contract vertically, depending on whether you're increasing or decreasing line spacing. Anchor option allows you to control where text expands or contracts from within the text box, like top anchor, bottom anchor, and middle anchor. You can choose appropriate anchor depending on where you want the text to move as you're adjusting spacing.